In Davinci Resolve, if you want to export only a part of your video instead of the entire project, go to Deliver. Then go to Render setting here and select In, Out Range. Now use the marker option to select that portion which you want to render. Suppose I want to render this part only, so I select this portion of my video. So mark a part of your video and then go to Export. Name your file, choose location, and then select a format. Then click on the Add to Queue option and render your video. That's it, and this is how you can render a part of your video instead of entire timeline. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe button for more. Thanks for watching.